glasses to protect my eyes, at least a little bit. Okay. All right. So, first thing that needs to happen. Think about it, talk about it, and then Jasmine gets to tell me what the first thing that I should do is. Oh, and I should tell you what you have available. There is a microwave back here. There is a refrigerator back here, so we can kind of use those. There's borax here, Dawn dish soap, laundry detergent, baking soda, different colors. We've got all sorts of colors here, so you can choose the colors that you'd like.
Choose more than one color?
You can, yeah.
I have a question.
Not in the same procedure step. You can use the big tube, or you can use these tubes.
Big tube.
Okay. There may be some like cleaning steps that you have to do here along the way too, to make sure that things don't get contaminated. I have 2 molar NaI, so this is sodium iodide. It works kind of the same way as the potassium iodide. We saw that when we tried it out on Friday. Okay. I have 2 molar potassium iodide, and I like I said, I have the 4 molar potassium iodide. Guys, are you listening?
We're listening.
So I have 2 molar and 4 molar. Okay, I've got separate graduated cylinders for the separate solutions. I've got a 25 milliliter graduated cylinder. I have these 3 100 milliliter graduated cylinders, and I have this big honkin' 500 milliliter graduated cylinder. I've got the 3% hydrogen peroxide, and I've got the 30% hydrogen peroxide. I have tape and Sharpies to label things so that we don't get confused. So, Jasmine, what is the first thing that you would like me to do?
Oh. Well, it looked cool. We want it to explode.
Because the big one also is taller and it's going to have more. Okay. It's going to have less to expand.
The big.
Okay, so what am I doing with it?
Putting it,
Put it in this can. Okay. You do this.
That's all you're going to say.
Okay, so then next. Whoa.
Oh, somebody's not getting it.
Kylie, look at that. Okay. Kylie. So Jasmine decided that we're going to use the big 500 milliliter graduated cylinder. I ran through all the list of materials here. We've got borax, we've got Dawn, we've got laundry detergent, baking soda, all kinds of colors. The 100 milliliter graduated cylinders, we've got the sodium iodide, 2 molar. We've got potassium iodide, 2 molar. And then we've got potassium iodide, 4 molar. The 3% hydrogen peroxide, the 30% hydrogen peroxide, and some things to label.
We're allowed
40 total, yep.
Ooh, you got that man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 3 of those.
Because we're talking about
I know. Yesterday I shot my finger in the door in the shop. Billy did the same thing.
Okay, so I'm doing 40 milliliters of the 30% hydrogen
Hey,
peroxide.
what's the big one?
Where?
We should do 35 or have a 5.
Which one?
Hey, what's that?
Okay, how do I measure 40 milliliters in, because it's not broken into that small of units.
Okay, how about the little one? Yeah.
So you want me to measure 40 milliliters into here
You dump it in there.
and then pour it in there? Yeah.
I have a question. What's in the
keep
big,
it
big
in
tube?
small.
Keep it in the small one for now. What's your question?
What's in the giant tube?
It's more of the same thing.
I thought it was
Because
like
this one was almost
50
empty.
or 60%. The good stuff.
Pretty sure it's like illegal.
I want the illegal stuff.
I want that. Like,
We should
is there
put,
any
like,
in there?
We should put like tannerite in there.
We should put Nair in your shampoo.
Tannerite, bro. We
Oh,
should
yeah.
have
Zoe.
all the stuff in there.
We should put hair.
Nair?
We should have
There. We should put-
Okay,
Gotta get your-
next person is Ethan.
Go,
So
Ethan.
I have the 40 milliliters of your hydrogen peroxide, your 30% hydrogen peroxide in here.
Not yet. Not yet. No, that's for the cylinder thing.
Hey, Chase.
Oh no!
Get him! Get him!
Send him.
You're
Send
out!
him.
I'm going.
He's dead.
I did not mean to.
Hey, just stand in the doorway.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, I'm
Just
He was like, boom.
Oh, he did it again.
Okay, Ethan, what should I do?
How much can we use of the sink? Yeah,
Of these?
formal.
Well, we need to leave at least half of what's here left for the other class.
We should use at least half of it.
And so, this is about 45 milliliters is what's in here.
He's
So
22 and a half
half-
milliliters.
20 of the four.
The good stuff.
stuff on the right.
Yeah. Yeah, that.
Yeah, what happens if you drink
Put
that?
20 milliliters of that. One of the small.
This one? Okay. So Ethan wants me to put 20 milliliters of the 4 molar potassium iodide into this graduated cylinder here.
That's 22.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, you got some bonus. Look at that.
Yeah, hey, that's what I said.
Shabona.
Do 22 and a half milliliters, that way you can half it off.
I guess that works.
So we put.
Okay, so now we've got
Yeah.
Javier.
Well,
How long are we going? We should probably ask her how warm we can get it.
Yeah, how warm can we put it into the microwave?
Which one are we warming up?
Oh.
Okay. I would say you probably don't want to put like a plastic thing of hydrogen peroxide in the microwave. And you probably don't want to do it very long because it will boil.
True. So we
30
can probably warm
seconds.
up the catalyst.
Yeah, the catalyst for 30 seconds.
How long can we warm up the catalyst for?
Bullet.
Probably 30 seconds, maybe. Maybe we'll start with 20.
it dries.
Okay, you have
However
to
long we can get it warm.
put the catalyst in the microwave for 20 seconds.
Put the catalyst in the microwave.
All right. I'm gonna watch it and make sure that it doesn't do anything crazy.
Girl, touch the ceiling. We win.
Dude, my
I'm
mom
not, I
did
don't
that.
surprise.
You never want to have and right on it.
I know. Maybe somebody has to go get me some claws.
I will.
Thank you.
Wait, what? Wait, how am I gonna give it to you?
It's actually not too hot. It's not too bad. But yeah,
Across the
you can-
line.
but it is warm. So that works pretty well. That's warm.
Hey,
Okay,
now-
Trevor, you're next actually.
Oh, okay.
Here, I will come to you. Thank you. Okay, Trevor, what should I do next?
got like bubbles and moves. You guys
John
use it.
does.
Or the hydrogen
Pour the hydrogen peroxide in big cylinder.
Okay, pouring the hydrogen peroxide in the big cylinder. And next we have Jade is not here. Matthew.
Wow.
Oh, I popped my
Can we put a drop of the Dawn dish soap in there?
1 drop of the Dawn dish soap.
2 drops.
2 drops?
5.
1, 2.
7.
Thank you.
Okay.
7 drops.
Next is Michelle.
Are we gonna tell her to give me my papers back?
You hit me with it. So I
New
took it
color.
from you.
Are we ready for
That's fair.
Any color?
Make it color.
Just do all of them.
Yeah.
One drop
Do your
of
favorite
all.
color with brown?
Is that pink?
That's purple.
This is neon pink, yes?
That's awesome.
Send it.
Send
Yeah.
it.
What am I
Oh,
doing?
well,
Two.
and put it in where? That's 2 drops.
Put 2 drops in the big one.
The big cylinder.
The big cylinder.
Okay.
1, 2.
2. Okay.
Ooh.
And then
The
we
little
have
head.
Tyler.
What can I
Ready
do?
for a reaction,
Oh,
guys?
God.
What can I do? What do I do, guys?
Are we ready for a reaction?
Are we ready for a reaction, guys?
Okay,
Yeah.
Hold on, what do we do?
Mix
What about
this.
the borax?
What if it
The
doesn't
borax
make
is basically acting as a soap. Borax
But what if
is
it
Oh,
makes
yeah.
it not
Making
react?
sure
We gotta go safe on this. Because what if borax doesn't let it react?
Doesn't it make
Exactly.
exactly?
So we have to go safe and
I
do what
love
we did
it.
yesterday.
So might as well just put the
Yeah. Go on with it. Make it boom, Word.
Catalyst is the big cylinder.
Word, make it boom.
Yeah, what you said.
You have to
to
say it.
You have to say it.
Catalyst in the big cylinder.
With the catalyst.
Is it
big
warm
cylinder.
It is still warm?
It's still warm.
Okay,
It's
good.
still warm.
It's gonna go boom.
Hey, Chase, can you see that?
Oh.
Oh!
That was
Wait, what?
actually the best reaction that I have seen.
Oh,
Really?
Good job, guys.
What the
How
other
many
class
tries do we get?
Well, you had 2 tries, but you only had the 40 milliliters and you
Oops.
used it all. So you could do something with a lower percent. You could work with the 3% hydrogen peroxide if you wanted to.
Thanks.
You have a couple more minutes.
Get a mullet with frosted tips.
Yeah, let's do this.
So,
Okay.
I feel like we're going for an unrealistic goal.
Frosted tips.
Because there's no way it's gonna touch us.
Yeah.
Is
That
there
was pretty good.
The way
Is
you
there a way
use it.
to
how much of the 3% OG would you use?
You can use.
Hey,
Wait,
it's
how-
touching the paper.
I've got one like this, and I've got one.
Oh, you have 3 bottles.
Yeah, I've got
Did it burn
got
you?
a lot, and it's cheap. So
Oh, no, I just died it.
you guys can use quite a bit.
That's awesome.
That stained it pretty well, didn't it?
That's a pretty color.
Okay, so let's have Megan
Oh, hey.
give me a procedure step to do here. And that might involve some cleanup or like
Okay, wait.
figuring out how to reset this.
Put the cylinder in the same thing.
But first you gotta have big
We
cylinder.
have to clean this.
Do you want to? Okay, so clean the big cylinder.
Clean the big cylinder.
Squeeze and tags.
We're gonna put a whole bottle.
We're gonna do.
Yeah.
There's a head.
Oh, we're not gonna be able to use the steroid cap.
I can't make it go underneath the.
Michelle, like hers.
There we go. Right back. The big cylinder is too big for my little sinks here.
It's okay, little buddy.
Yes.
Scared.
Although you're probably next.
That's a bummer.
No.
I'll make another one. Where'd it go?
Easy.
Oh, just one on the ground, I think.
A little bit, yeah.
Did he leave? Did he leave?
Yeah, he went to the bathroom. But he is gonna be next.
Hey,
If I was thinking that we're using borax.
You're gonna use borax this time?
Huh? Baking soda?
Yeah, that's what I said.
And then green, neon green.
Okay.
3
So-
drops of neon green.
No 5.
It is Chase next, but we'll save him for later. So Tyler,
What?
Tyler, give me a step here. What should I do?
You got the tap. You'll
I'm not gonna cross
Eat
line.
it.
We should try the little one.
Oh.
We don't have Chase with us. We can't do anything.
Alright,
Oh, I'm not
so
playing.
Oh.
Repeat that.
Okay.
Right.
Whole bottle is 3%.
Whole bottle of 3%.
In
the what?
Wait, which
The
one's
big,
the
giant-
full bottle?
Which one's the most full?
Yeah, which one's the most full?
Well, this one hasn't been opened, but I'm not gonna let you put in.
Oh, the
I will put an entire half
no way.
bottle.
Okay, let's go.
Okay,
Why not?
we're gonna go with that.
Okay.
That would've been awesome.
Has to be medium.
I'll go ahead and finish off the other one too.
Yay.
Yes.
See, look, we saved the little.
Wow, that's
Oh, it's 50.
It's about 50 milliliters.
Awesome.
Okay. So then let's do Javier next. Javier, what should we do?
Oh, should I heat up the candles?
We should heat up the catalyst.
There's one for each
Well,
one.
we had.
Heat up the catalyst. Heat up the baking soda.
We
Heat
had
up
allowed
the.
40 milliliters of
Yes.
catalyst.
What's
No,
up,
we
Lucy?
used 20
Like,
of the before.
what's the stuff we drink?
Heat
The
the
good stuff.
Borax.
What is
So
that?
everybody uses
It's like
that?
a soap, like you
Yeah,
wash
so
your
borax.
shirts and stuff like that.
Don't people use that to make slime too?
Yeah.
So like.
We're not. I don't know if there's that much in there.
No, I'm trying to.
How much
One sheet.
is, how many milliliters is in the 2 moles of potassium iodide?
There's about 45 in there.
Yeah.
Dude, that water looks gross. Can I drink it?
No.
2 mole potassium iodide in small
Hey, go up there.
You
gotta go shower.
The 2 mole potassium iodide,
We need a hair
you
pie.
need 25 milliliters of it in the small glass cylinder.
25 milliliters of the two in the small cylinder.
Alright, thank you. Alrighty. Of course. Now we've got Matthew.
He doesn't even like that.
I would also like to hear this.
Oh, yeah, I like to.
What did you say?
Can we mix it with a little bit of?
I'll happen to hard.
Yeah, I suppose you don't have a whole lot to play with here.
Yeah,
We had
use
to.
like whatever the remaining amount we can use, like
Okay.
whatever the.
Only so much can fit in that thing.
In here.
Say it.
Whatever
Go.
the left fits in there.
Yeah, we only fit the one.
Whatever we're allowed to use, it's gonna be nice.
Every time I say it in my head, it sounds like.
Okay.
Yes.
50.
Ethan.
Oh, no.
He had catalyst for a minute.
Heat
No.
the catalyst.
No.
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 What? Are we doing die now?
No. Say it about.
Say it.
Borax now?
What? No. We already had catalyst.
Borax doesn't bubble much though. Borax doesn't bubble.
What if we use 2 of those things?
We're gonna use baking soda and dish soap because the dish soap makes the most bubbles out of all of it.
So just
Laundry
do one
detergent.
drop of.
And baking soda is what causes torpedoes to erupt.
Yeah.
We build up a whole ladder.
We have one drop of dish soap.
Oh, yeah.
In.
That makes cylinder.
Anyway.
But how much baking soda?
Okay.
That's so much.
Look at them bubbles.
Michelle.
Now we're adding a scoop of baking soda.
A scoop of baking soda to the big cylinder.
What are you measuring with?
I don't know.
A scoop.
Sure.
Not that much.
Is that good, Michelle?
Sure.
Okay.
We need to get we're gonna add the
Jade's
hear that?
still not here. Kylie.
Catalyst for color.
The color of dye.
What do you say? Red. How much?
Are you kidding me right now?
Okay.
I'm kidding.
And then Megan.
She can call me
What are you doing? Oh, you need to be
Pick
catalyst.
another color.
I want to heat it up.
No,
No.
heat it up for as long.
How long can you heat it up for the longest time that you can? The
We can
catalyst.
probably double what we did last time. We'll try
Okay, that
46.
Yes.
So you want me to heat it up for 40 seconds?
longest that you could possibly do.
We want it to be warm. Like,
We want it to be like boiling. We want it to boil.
I'm gonna take your hand there.
Okay, while we're waiting on that, Jasmine will give us our next step. So after that's heated up, what am I gonna do?
why not?
We're gonna pour
We're
it
ready.
after it's done. Pour it in the big soda.
Okay.
We already have
Alrighty.
We're trying. We really are.
So,
We'll see what happens.
Okay, wait, before,
That first reaction
before
is
that,
pretty
add
wicked.
another drop of the garnish.
One more drop of dish soap.
Why not?
What would happen if you added all of those? That'd be some weird thing going on there.
I wonder if it explodes.
It's bubbling. It's boiling.
Yes!
Yes! Gotta have the claws.
Get ready.
Okay,
Get
so
those claws.
am I adding it? Trevor is the last one here
Yes,
besides
you add it.
Chase.
To the big stuff.
That's
Okay.
the big cylinder.
Okay, guys.
Nice like.
I'm
Alright.
upset that we couldn't
Moment
get
of
it that
truth.
warm.
Oh.
It was the baking soda.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
the baking soda's making it go at all.
No good.
Oh wait, we didn't even check on the
That's
baking.
going pretty good. I mean, for 3% hydrogen
You just see
peroxide.
that one line of your brand.
For 3% hydrogen
One
peroxide,
right.
that's pretty
Get over the top!
Maybe it'll come out there.
Oh.
I bet it'll come out.
No, it's done. It's just done.
Oh, it's gone.
Come on.
Keep going, little
Oh,
buddy.
no, it's done.
Oh,
It's
dead.
done.
Oh, it's dead.
good.
Oh,
Alright.
it's still going.
Oh, it's
Darn.
dead.
Good job, you guys. You used those principles that we talked about really well. The heat, the concentration, the surface area.
I don't think
Yeah,
it's
I know.
possible. I think you just like over exaggerate.
I think we could if I
Hey.
had more of this to actually let you use.
We
So
need
let's
a,
use like.
we need a
You
big old
60%.
Coke bottle
I
and a
just
thing
can't.
connected.
I just can't
I feel like
let
we- I feel like
you
we
use
still
all
have
of
like
it.